The first tongue twister, which is very simple one that I have for you out here, is I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Now let me speed up. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. One more time. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Just try to speak as fast as you can. Now give it a try on your own. The second one I am having here is I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Now try to read it fast. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. So hope you found this session really interesting and got something out of it. I will be back with some more tongue twisters in my upcoming sessions. Until then, you take care and keep practicing. Bye.